Hi everyone, welcome to the second week of our class. And you can see in the syllabus here that we're continuing the broad topics that we had in Chapter 1. So you should be continuing doing the study of human development. As a reminder, your topic for your community research proposal is due by email by Monday. So if you're watching this on Sunday, it's due tomorrow. And so as a reminder, we talked about the community research topic, that paper. We talked about that in another video that you should have watched already. So if you have not watched the welcome video for this class, you should do that because it details the nature of that paper. And just send me the general topic, but just sort of make it clear how that would be a community research paper, that topic. For most people, this email could be simply one sentence. That would be fine. If you feel like you're not being clear in one sentence, you can sort of elaborate how it relates to helping kids overcome problems and or optimally develop, then you can add a couple more sentences if you would like. And I want to highlight in this video, in week number 3, we're going to have the study review paper due. So some of you might want to work on that a bit early, and this would be a good time to do that, I think. And so let me show you what's on Blackboard that's related to that assignment. So here's our course. I'm in the weekly modules. And so remember, during the first couple weeks, we're watching the first lecture in 3 parts. It's a pretty extensive lecture. The third part of lecture 1 gets into research methodologies related to studying human development. I would recommend watching lecture 1, part 3, before you start your study review paper, because the information about research methodologies will be very relevant for that paper. And so going back to the to the weekly modules, there's the study review paper module already there. Don't open week 3. I don't have anything there yet. I'll put some stuff there beginning of next week. And so I like to put things week by week so we kind of have a nice progression. I think when people work ahead too much, it might actually interfere with things. And so here's the study review paper module. If I click on that, so some important things. Really important thing is video instructions for the study review paper. There is an outline of the study review paper in the syllabus, but this video instruction, which is over 30 minutes, goes into detail about this assignment. Some of those details about this assignment are also very relevant for your larger paper, your community research paper, because we're using APA style. So part of this video reviews some aspects of APA style that we're going to be using throughout the course, not only for your final paper, but also on your concept papers, for example. So it's not just about this assignment, but it's also about some skills that you will need throughout the semester. And then the video instructions will explain these abstracts. I'll just sort of leave them for the video instructions there. And then the study review paper is here. And so it is due, and this is also on your syllabus, it is due Sunday, February 6th. So you have, a bit of time to work on this. But as you'll see in the video instructions, you need pre-approval of your article that you're going to do for the study review paper. So I would recommend searching for an article and using it sending me the email about that for pre-approval as soon as you can. What I'll say about that video, and when I say that video, I'm referring to these instructions. So these video instructions, like all our other videos, were produced in an earlier semester. So it might refer to something like a change proposal or service learning paper. Just ignore that. That was the signature assignment in the past. We've modified it to sort of meld in between the two, if you will. And so any reference to that is actually just referring to the signature assignment. So this assignment, this study review paper, if you're strategic, is going to be the first step in your community research paper. And so this will be the first article that you'll be reading relevant to your topic. And so it's important, again, to have your topic approved. So you should send that to me again by Monday for your signature assignment. And that topic will help guide you to try to find an article. And that article you read for the study review paper will be the beginnings of your research for that paper. And so this is something that would be very beneficial for your final paper in the end. And so as much as you can, use this as that first step in that paper. So that's it for this week, and a little bit about some of the stuff you're doing next week, the study review paper. If you have any questions, let me know. And again, watch the video instructions for this assignment because it's very detailed. So have a great week. If you have any questions, let me know. And I will talk to you next week.